All right, so welcome to the exchange. So, first and foremost, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to give you my opinion on what I see in the stock markets. Looking to the left to see what has happened, then looking to the right to see what may happen. Do your own due diligence. Make sure you invest money in things you know about. If you don't know, invest in yourself and learn. That's the best way you can make money out here and have some security in these markets. So, let's look at what happens to stock markets so we can get a better idea and some security in exchange. Welcome to the Exchange Show. All right, welcome back to another episode of the Exchange. And this one we're talking about one we already talked about a couple times, and of course it's Intel. So it did move up some. We moved up that double bottom. Currently, though, we are waiting for earnings. We have a gap below current price. The question is this going to be a reaction to earnings where price comes down one more time? And then if the earnings are good, because they are going to be on January 30th. If Intel's earnings are good, they beat expectations, can this pop back up? There has been a shakeup at Intel, so if you don't know, look up the fundamental news. Fundamental news is the actual news. Technical analysis is what I like to do, which is playing on the charts. So look up the fundamental news on Intel over the last couple of months. Somebody got moved around at the top, so this may mean Intel could be coming back. It is a really good, cheap stock at the moment. It's $20.83. When we were looking at it back here, it was, that was in the beginning of January. It was $19.85. It went up so far to $22.40. So it did go down, made a double bottom, came back up. And like I said, it could go up slowly, but if it has good earnings, you never know. It could go up faster. So Intel, still on my list. I'm looking for it to go up. I want to see the reaction from earnings coming up. And let's move on to the next one, SOUN. SOUN is an AI stock. So this one is interesting. Okay, we have a flag pattern here. All right, got pennant. Is this going to be bullish or bearish? So with this, I'm going to turn on my indicator. Let me see. I got a buy signal. It kind of makes sense too. I'm going to look at the volume here. So here I'm seeing a strong volume in here. But what I really want to pay attention to are these following candles. The ones that are not the biggest. These are the ones that want to tell the story. And you might be asking why. So I got stronger selling pressure over the last day than I had buying pressure, and I'm at a resistance. But at the same time, I created a new high. So I am waiting. I want to see this pop out. I want to see SOUN pop out. So if I'm looking to play this, I would go to the 4 hour. I would see, oh, now the 4 hour is telling me a different story. It's telling me, hey, you got a double top. So I got one, I got two. That's two tops. I do have divergence. Do I? Not really. It's lower anyway, but if you go based off of the resistance area, I do have divergence. Now I want to see if this is going to play out to go back down to this trend line and then pop out. I would love to see that. That'd be a great entry down here around $15, low $15 area. Let's see if it hits there. If it does, it'll be a great area for me to get in. But if it doesn't, I can wait. If it comes down here lower, it comes back down here to that $12 brain.